Good morning, students. Welcome to you in e-learning classes of Standard 8 is organized by Modern English School, Nevada. I myself, Repti Raman, mathematics teacher of Modern English School, New Area, Nevada. Students, today I shall solve exercise 13A of chapter 13, time and work. One question is written here. Question number 1. Rajan can do a piece of work in 24 days, while Amit can do it in 30 days. In how many days? In how many days can they complete it if they work together? Students, A can do a piece of work in 24 days. So Rajan's 1 day's work. Rajan's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 24. Next, Amit can do it in 30 days. So Amit's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 30. In how many days can they complete it if they work together? So Rajan plus Amit. Rajan plus Amit's 1 day's work. Add 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30. Find LCM of 24 and 30 equal to 120. 120 divided by 24. 24 5 is 120, so 5 plus 34 is 120, so 4 equal to 9 by 120 divided by 3 times. 3 3 is 9 and 43 is 120 equal to 3 by 40. So Rajan plus Amit's 1 day's work equal to 3 by 40. So therefore total time taken both together, or Rajan plus Amit, total time taken by Rajan plus Amit equal to 3 by 40, change into 40 by 3. 40 by 3 days. So 13 whole 1 by 3 days. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 3 of exercise 13A. In this question, A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 6 days, while A alone can do it in 9 days. How much time will B alone take to finish it? Students, here given A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 6 days. So A plus B 1 day's work equal to 1 by 6. And while A alone can do it in 9 days, do it in 9 days. How much? So age 1 day's work equal to 1 by 9. 1 by 9. Now B is 1 day's work. Here A plus B is 1 day's work 1 by 6 and A is 1 day's work 1 by 9. So B is 1 day's work is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9. LCM of 6 and 9 is 18. 6 3 is 18 and 9 2 is 18. 3 minus 2 equal to 1 by 18. V is 1 day's work is 1 by 18. So total time taken by, therefore total time taken by B alone. Total time taken by B alone. One by 18 change into 18 by 1. So 18 days. Answer. Understand and write it. Students, next question is question number 5. A, B and C. A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10 days, 12 days and 15 days respectively. How long will they take to finish it if they work together? A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10 days, 12 days and 15 days respectively. How long will they take to finish it if they work together? Students, here is 1 day's work. Age 1 day's work. A can do a piece of work in 10 days. So age 1 day's work is 1 by 10. V is 1 day's work. One by 12 and C is 1 day's work. One by 15. So A plus B plus C is 1 day's work. And all of them 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. Taking LCM of 10, 12 and 15 is 60. 10 6 is 16, 12 5 is 16, so plus 5 and 15 4 is 16 plus 4. 6 plus 5 11 plus 4 15. 15 by 60. So 15 4 is 60. That means 1 by 4. A plus B plus C is 1 day's work is 1 by 4. Therefore, total time taken by A plus B plus C equal to 1 by 4 change into 4 by 1. So 4 days. Understand and write it. Students, question number 6 is written. It is last question today. In this question, A can do a piece of work in 24 hours. A can do a piece of work in 24 hours, while B alone can do it in 16 hours. If A, B and C working together can finish it in 8 hours, in how many hours can C alone finish the work? So A's 1 hour's work. A's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 24. While B's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 16. 1 by 16. So find A plus B 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 16. LCM of 24 and 16 is 48. 24 2 जा 48, so 2 plus 16 3 जा 48, so 3 equal to 5 by 48. Now, if A, B and C working together can finish it in 8 hours, so A plus B plus C is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 8 equal to 1 by 8. Now A plus B is 1 hour's work, 5 by 48. A plus B plus C is 1 hour's work, 1 by 8 equal to C is find in how many hours can C alone finish the work. So C is 1 hour's work, 1 by 8 minus 5 by 48. LCM of 8 and 48. 48. 8 6 are 48, so 6 minus 48 1 are 48, so 5 1 are 5. 6 minus 5 equal to 1 by 48. So therefore, total time taken by C equal to 1 by 48, change it's 48 hours. Answer. Students, today your homework is solve exercise 13A, question number 1 to 7. Thank you. That's all.